farmers agree that the pigs are worth $300 and that goats are worth $210. Two farmers are there. They all come to a conclusion. They all say that each pig is worth $300. Each goat is worth $210. Okay. When one farmer owes the other money, he pays the debt in pig or goat. He pays the debt in pig or goat. He pays the debt in pig or goat. For example, there are two people. For example, Anil and Reshma, it is there. Anil and Reshma, it is there. Suppose what I will do is Reshma owes Anil $210. Reshma owes Anil $210. So instead of giving $210, she tells, please take this goat because the goat is worth $210. If Anil owes Reshma $300, Anil will tell Reshma, please take this pig which costs $300. So every currency which they are making, they are exchanging it with pig as well as goat. One more example it is given. For example, a $390 debt could be paid with 2 pigs and with 1 goat received in change. Suppose Anil has to give Reshma $390. Anil has to give Reshma $390. Currency is in the form of a pig and as well as goat. So he gives Reshma 2 pigs. If I give Reshma 2 pigs, how much I gave? 600 rupees. But how much I owe? 390 rupees. That means Reshma has to give back Anil. How many rupees? 210 rupees. 210 rupees he gives back, she gives back goat. She gives back goat. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Very, very clear to you. The entire question, please continue the question. What is the amount of the smallest positive debt that can be resolved in this way? That can be resolved in this way. Think logically. If Anil has to give Reshma 600 rupees, how many goats he will give? 300 into 2. Suppose Reshma has to owe Anil $420. How Reshma will give? How many it is? Goats? 2 goats. That means, can I say the equation 300 is the cost of 1 pig. How many pigs I give? I don't know. 300x. If I need to get any change, this will be minus 210y. 300x minus 210y is equivalent to k. You see this equation, you will understand. Suppose 390. 300 into 2, 600. 600 minus 210, it is 390. 300x minus 210y, it is equivalent to k. 300 into x minus 210y is equivalent to k. Now, if you see here, listen carefully. First think, what is the amount? Very good question based on algebra, sir. What is the amount of the smallest positive debt that can happen? Smallest positive debt that can happen. That means, listen carefully. 300. Suppose if it is 90 rupees, I gave 300 rupees, I got 210. How much is the difference? 90. Suppose I did, for example, 60 rupees. 60 means 300 into 3. 3 goats I gave 900. She gave me back 4 goats. 4 into 210 is 840. 900 minus 840, 60. Like that multiple are there. What is the minimum possible difference? Minimum possible difference. One by one we will go. This is 300, it is an even number. 210, it is an even number. Even minus even. Even. Answer should be divisible by 2. Answer should be divisible by 2. Are you all with me? Answer should be divisible by 2. 300. 300. It is divisible by 3. 210, it is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. I am taking all the prime numbers, sir. Divisible by 2 and 3. Next is 5. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. So, answer should be divisible by 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5. It is only divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 2, 3 and 5. These divisible by 2, 3 and 5. This is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Question is smallest positive debt. Smallest positive debt. Answer is 30. Answer is 30. In simple language, it is HCF of 300 comma 210. HCF of 300 comma 210. This is divisible by 10. This is divisible by 10. So answer will be divisible by 10. This is 21. 21 does not divide 30. Factors of 21 are 7. 7 will not divide 30. 3 will divide 30. Answer is 30. HCF of 300 and 210, it is 30. I hope it is clear. Very, very good question it is. Extremely good question. Where right ancient old days we used to replace it with gold or jewelry or any instrument worth X. Very, very interesting question it is. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Do not miss. Okay, same question here. The number of integral solution for the equation 2x plus 4y is equivalent to 21. 2x, it is an even number. 4y, it is an even number. Even plus even, it is an even number. Answer should be an even number. 21 is an odd number. So answer will be no value x comma y takes. No value x comma y takes. 2x is divisible by 2. 4y is divisible by 2. 2x is divisible by 2. 4y it is divisible by 2. So even plus even, answer should be an even number. 21 is an odd number. So answer is no value x comma y takes. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose one more question we will solve. There are a person has to give 500 rupees using 5 rupee notes, using 20 rupee notes, and using 50 rupee notes. In how many ways can I give 500 rupees using 5 rupees, 20 rupees and 50 rupees? Exactly 20 notes needs to be used. Exactly 20 notes to be used. In how many ways can I give 500 rupees using currency in the denomination of 5 rupee, 20 rupees and 50 rupees? That too exactly 20 notes needs to be used. Exactly 20 notes needs to be used. So, how many notes? Let me take x plus y plus z. Number of notes, 5 rupees I am using are x, 20 rupees it is y, 50 rupees it is z. X plus y plus z is 20. So this is 5x plus total money it is 5x plus 20y plus 50z is 500. So this will become x plus 4y plus 10z equivalent to 100. Is this equation clear? Total money it is 500. 5 rupees I am using X notes. 20 rupees I am using Y notes. 50 rupees I am using Z notes. Total value it is for 500. How many notes I am using? X plus Y plus Z. So if I subtract 4y minus y, 3y. 10z minus z, 9z. 100 minus 20, 80. 3y plus 9z equivalent to 80. 3y plus 9z equivalent to 80. 3y is divisible by 3. 9z is divisible by 3. Is 80 divisible by 3? No. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Answer is not divisible by 3. So answer is not possible. A typical aptitude question which we think it is a counting case, but if you think logically, it's a very beautiful case. It's a very, very beautiful case.